A great investor's advice to hard-working men. Keywords 1. Linear income, trading hours for dollars. 2. Exponential wealth, investing. Steps from linear income to exponential wealth. 1. Work hard to make linear income to survive and save money for investment. 2. Make enough time to study investment. 3. When the opportunity comes, you have the knowledge to recognize it and have the financial ability, cash, to catch it. 4. Your investment could become your exponential wealth. Who do you think he or she is? Would you like to leave your answer in the comment section below? Thank you very much.